Last night we were given the impression that there would be a resolution which would be voted upon in Parliament on these three issues which had been mentioned by Anna Hazare ji in his letter to the PM about the inclusion of the lower bureaucracy, about grievance redressal and about Lok Ayuks in the states. Now we are being told that no, there won't be any resolution, there won't be any voting. There will just be some discussion at the end of which some sense of the house, etc. would be conveyed. Now this is not what we had understood at all. And if this is the case, actually this is not going to be very helpful or very meaningful at all. What we are being told is that no, this is under 193, no voting can take place, no resolution can be moved. Well, the BJP had then given a motion for under Rule 184 in which there can be a resolution, in which there can be voting. In fact, there has to be a resolution. They had given a motion for a resolution which can be voted upon. They are saying, no, now the BJP is not agreeing to this. Well, if the Congress or if the government is serious about this, let them at least move a motion. As I said, there is a rule which permits all rules to be waived. And that 184 motion can be considered and put to vote. We will know who stands where on these issues.
Otherwise, what happens? So you're not agreeable to what? You're not agreeable to what?
Well, this will be a very unfortunate response to what Anna Hazare ji had written in his letter to the PM. I mean, we thought that the whole object of today's discussion was that there will be a resolution and a vote on it.
So Anna is calling off his fast?
No, that is a decision which Anna will have to take himself. देखिए, कल रात को हमको ये इम्प्रेशन दिया गया कि आज जो डिस्कशन होगा संसद में उसमें एक रेजोल्यूशन होगा और वोट भी होगी, लेकिन अब हमको ये बताया जा रहा है कि नहीं, इसमें कोई रेजोल्यूशन, कोई वोटिंग नहीं होगी और एक जनरल बस डिस्कशन होकर रह जाएगा। और ये कहा जा रहा है कि नहीं, रूल 193 में ये डिस्कशन है, इसमें कोई वोटिंग रेजोल्यूशन नहीं हो सकता। तो फिर अगर इसमें नहीं हो सकता तो जो 184 का जो नोटिस था जो कल दिया गया, उस पे क्यों नहीं रेजोल्यूशन, उस पे क्यों नहीं वोटिंग कराई जा रही? जब अन्ना हजारे जी ने प्रधानमंत्री को ये बात लिखी कि अच्छा भाई, कम से कम ये 3 मुद्दों पर तो सदन की तरफ से कोई राय व्यक्त हो, तो उसका भी बिल्कुल निरादर होगा अगर इस पर कोई रेजोल्यूशन और कोई वोटिंग नहीं होती। पूरी देश की जनता को ये जानने का हक है कि भाई कौन सी पार्टी, कौन से सांसद किस तरफ खड़े हुए हैं। क्या वो जनता, जो आम जनता है इस देश की, उसके भ्रष्टाचार का निवारण चाहते हैं कि नहीं लोकपाल के द्वारा? ये पूरे देश को जानने का हक है। पूरा देश जानना चाहता है कि संसद कहाँ खड़ी हुई है, सांसद कहाँ खड़े हुए हैं, पार्टियां कहाँ खड़ी हुई हैं।
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.